Foul inside, no. Inside on the move. Kim, open ka. No. Jarinas two-sided. Short lang konti. On the right side, inside. There's, stepping on the line. Opponent point. Foul on the left side. No. 6 and 3. No. Sided for the rebound. And converts. Kim sided. 2 points. Apico to the right side. Lance to Mercado. No. Inside. Yes, sir. On. Jarinas on the move. On the glass. Automatic. 4-2. Takes on the perimeter. No, kapigan. Kay RJ ang bola for the rebound. Pangilinan. Gives to Kim Sided. Yes, sir. What a catches by Sided. Inside to Lance. 3. No. Number 5, Squeezer Sano, no. Foul, Swipey. Number 18 on the move, inside to LA. LA converts 8-2. Stolen ni Foul on the move, 3-in-1. Foul, give it to Sided. 2 points. Grabe naman si Sergio. Number 8. No. Rebound to the LA. LA. To Paul. Back to LA. LA. Pulls. No. Number 8. Inside. Wow. No. LA again for the rebound. LA on the move. Back to RJ. RJ. Great. Takes. And 1. Pag na-shoot, change court. Good. Well, 2. Hey, what are you, Seth? Back to the middle. 2 points. 4-12. Keep Sided on the move. 4-3. No. Back to Magazina. On the right side. Inside. Change court. 12-6. Lamang pa rin ang opensa ng 6. 5 remaining. Last 5 minutes and 30 seconds in the game. Paupao on the move. Number 18. Pangilinan. On the left side, Jarinas fighting the glass, waiting with LA. Great pull up by LA. 14-6. Number 88, Sumailo, no. Paupao, Jarinas, no. Nagpapadali ko Sumailo to the left side. 2 points. 8-14. Sided on the move. Sided. Crash. On the left side. Good play by Sided. Pangilinan. No. Steps on the gas. Wala. Number 8. Nagpapadali ang tulid. Number 8. To the left. To the right. 10-14. RJ Laureles. Back to Pangilinan. Inside, no. That's her opponent. So Milo, 3. In short. LA on the move. LA Barbu drops. Back to RJ. No. Hey, wrap around. Ganda naman doon. No. Ay! Save one. 10-14. Lamang lang ng apat yan. Lamang ang depensa ng apat. Lance on the move. Creates. What a play by Lance. No. Back to Apigo. Inside to the left. No. Fast break opportunity to Pangilinan. 2 points. 16-10. Mr. Sanaol for 3. No. Kay Lance ang bola. Lance. Faking. No. To number 8. No. Number 5, Carolina. Inside. Wala. Kanino ang bola? Kay Ate. Pangilinan on the move. Fast break opportunity to LA. Sabi yan ni LA. LA on the move. Drop to RJ. Good play. Give it to Apigo on the move. Apigo inside. Yes, sir. What a play by Lance Apigo. Inside to LA. LA on the move. Back to Side from the shooter lane. No. Kanila pa rin ang rebound. Pangilinan faking. Back to LA. No. Rejected to number 8. Using his quickness. Napiga na bola ng Dos Joseph. Inside. 2 points. 14-16. Dalawa na lang ang lamang ng opensa. Last 2 minutes in the game. To Side for 3. No. RJ kanya ulit. Drop pass. Ang ganda. Kapigan. Wala. To Side setting up. Back to Popao. Back into inside. Wala pa rin. Sipa ni RJ. Sipa ka. Mercado. Inside. Oy. Good. LA on the move. And it rolls. 18-14. Last 1 minute and 30 seconds. Lance. Beautiful. Spin on the left side. My goodness, Lance. Inside. Back to RJ. Took inside. No. Ay, Mr. Sana walang bola. Mr. Sana walang gagawin mo. Lock pass. Back to the right. Sumailo. 2 points. All 18. Last 1 minute in the game. Wala ha? Wala na laban ha? Side on the move. No. Oh, wow. For 3. No. Ayan na. Bantayan nyo. Tuloyan. Oh! 20-18. Good deal. Oh, power the move. Ay! No. Lagi mo na patakamalan yan, ha, Pawa? Hinahanap mo si LA, no? No, buti on. To Sumailo. Last 15 seconds. No! Kanila ulit, pwede ba yan? Last 5 seconds. Lamang ng 4. LA only ang sipan. 2, 1. Game ball. What a comeback. Ang nanalo sila Lance. 4 points.